Welcome back, everyone, to the Theta Communications video series. Today we're going to be diving in to a new subchain and Medium article from the Theta Labs team. Before we proceed, let us thank our Theta stakers as well as our Tfuel stakers over on ThetaCommunications.com. You make this content possible, as well as make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below to boost Theta-related content in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, let's head on over to Medium, and we get the introduction of the Theta Pulse subchain. Now, this subchain is more than being a token per se. It's more about displaying and demonstrating the marrying of the two halves, which is the Edgecloud business, which is the more traditional business model meeting the end client consumer, and then marrying it with the blockchain elements. And why is that? It's because Theta Pulse subchain is going to be tracking and validating AI interactions across the Theta ecosystem. This is a major piece of the business model and a true testament that there is enough data that needs to be tracked and that growth is occurring within the business model. So why is this so exciting? Is that data is a currency in itself, and right now there isn't a lot of transparency and validity to the data sources that are being provided at the moment. So bringing these things on chain through the Theta blockchain demonstrates trust to the users, as well as for the Theta Labs team to better dial in the services they provide themselves. Like I said, data is a currency, and the Theta Labs team needs the data to then tinker and adjust things as needed, and then each individual organization will then be able to utilize their own data in the way they see fit for their clientele or service. So really exciting, especially like this example here. You can see the output method where this data is then sent. So if you have a message sent, that produces a interaction with the Theta blockchain and through the subchain here. And we see the other different interactions that are going to be built out. And I assume that there's going to be many more along this list here. And this is just being rolled out this 18th of November, about 2 days ago. So they're going to be slow rolling this out, tinkering, testing, and then it's going to be rolled out broadly across the ecosystem. So this is going to be a major milestone of why this is so significant for the Theta ecosystem is because this really means new economic models for the Edgecloud, especially because all of us are running, different edge nodes all across the globe right now, especially for us, for Theta Communications. We can actually get then accurate revenue distributions for edge nodes. Better data feeds means we're able to dial in the service and what we provide to you as a client. So there's also other elements with different compute elements that are going to be dialed in as well too. And this is really a testament to what Joe Stevens has said in previous about subchains, how there's going to be a multitude of subchains on top of other subchains that are built out. And then there's going to be subchains that aren't even built by humans, but subchains that are built autonomously by other AI agents as things proceed forward. So this is going to create greater adoption for the Theta blockchain, as I see they are really setting up similar to a YouTube, a TikTok, or a Meta, where they're able to package up their services and then provide a payable solution, whether it be through the Edgecloud right now, and then have the data underlying, and then maybe create some new cash flows as well too for the Theta ecosystem through different advertising or data pull mechanisms. So really exciting, especially as we move forward. I think this is going to create a whole new slew of tools for the ecosystem and really bring the Theta Labs team all the way up to the forefront of the crypto space. So having all of this data is very, very valuable, and this new utility is going to be of the utmost importance as we grow and expand. And I really think too, as these new subchains roll out, more and more that Theta Labs team is going to be able to step back, and this truly then ends up operating like an operating system, like an OS, and then there's dApps all being built underneath from this process they're going through right now with tinkering and setting up this Theta Pulse subchain. Really exciting. Glad to be on the journey with you all, and we're very happy to be providing new Elite Edge nodes for all the new Tfuel stakers. Glad to have you on board, and as always, I will see you on Tfuel Island. Take care. Bye-bye.